Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper left door hinge closing cam on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. Open the left side refrigerator door, then unthread the 2 screws to release the old closing cam from the hinge. To install the new closing cam, insert the pins into the holes in the hinge and thread the 2 screws to secure. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.